Doesn't she look peaceful, El?
Should we start a new game without her? We've been waiting for her for hours. Sounds like you call this plaguey thing.
They'll need burning. Stop us getting it. Or release banishment.
You can't banish them. That's cruel. Fuckers need burning, just to be safe. Hey, Mum.
Everyone round here seems to be relying on God.
Idiots. Is there a God? Why is he punishing us? Mum?
Is she dead?
What are we going to do?
Put her next to your dad?
I'm serious.
I don't know. Wait for the Grim Reaper to come, I suppose.
Fuck of me!
He ain't the Reaper. He's a doctor.
What?
Yeah. He's here to help Mum.
Well, let's just have a look at you first then, shall we?
What's all this about?
Protection.
Oh, yeah. How?
Well, I stuff it with herbs and spices.
What sort of herbs, Doc?
Open wide.
Well,
You need to be treated. You're both in the very early stages.
Early stages? Of what?
The plague.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! We do not have the plague!
how?
Maybe I should give you some space to take this all in.
Yeah, wait a sec!
I shall return later.
Don't like him. Stop it, you pansy. I didn't kick up all that fuss.
So, where have you been today then, Doc?
The Parr household.
Oh, right.
Charles still alive, is he?
Still hanging in there. No sign of infection yet.
Smug arsehole.
Why do you say that?
Well, he's a bloody grave digger, isn't he? Gets paid by the burial, 3 shilling a pop. I bet he's rolling in it at the moment.
So, how do you think we got it then, Doc?
I know how. You spend hours trying to catch bleeding rats. I don't know how I got it too, because I married you.
How did marrying me give you the plague?
Because if I hadn't have married you, I wouldn't be locked up with you, would I? It's not fair on us plague victims, you know, keeping us all locked up together. It's a stupid rule. Why do they have it?
To stop it spreading.
It is spreading!
If that rule weren't put in place, you wouldn't have stayed here and looked after me?
I'd have taken you to the pest house and I'd have buggered off.
I'm not going to that place. I've heard the nurses
Oi.
are rough and horrible.
Yeah, they don't give a monkeys about us as long as they've got...
Oi! There be no bad-mouthing them nurses around me.
They spend every waking hour trying to heal you not. And for next to nothing, they are all saints.
Well, I think they're all whores.
Have a look at me, Mum, won't you, Doc?
I don't want to die. I wish this last date would crop up and put me out of my sodding misery.
You ain't supposed to tell me which cards you're after.
We've been playing for hours. I can't win until I find this last date.
Man of God, are you, Doc?
Well, I'm a priest.
All right. A lot of good that is.
Excuse me?
Well, it's not as if religion's any use now, is it?
To be completely honest, religion is the only thing that seems to be working. I have witnessed but 3 families fight this thing, all beholden to God.
I bloody love God.
I love him more.
You're Christians?
Obviously!
Well, perhaps there's still hope for you. Rise. Revival happens when the word of He prevails. Revel in the word of God and find the life that revival brings. If ye pray and rejoice to God, revival will come and remain. My work here is done. Ye both hath done well. Truly children of God. Save you he surely will. I will return tomorrow. I'm sure you'll be fresh as daisy.
Night, Doc! What a mug!